YouTube? You're done with Shika Chung, and I'm back at it again today with another video. In today's video, it is Vlogmas Day 23. 2 more days till I'm done this Vlogmas series. Anyways, guys, in today's video, I will be telling you guys 10 things that you guys can do in Jamaica right now during the COVID pandemic. I've noticed a lot of people traveling to Jamaica around this time because it's Christmas, it's the holidays, New Year's is around the corner, and what better place to be than Jamaica right now? Me Bex and me know they are Jamaica. But anyways, guys, I can give you places and ideas of things that you can do while you're in Jamaica. In Jamaica, there has been a lot of closures on the nice activities like Duns River and them place there. Enough of them locked down. So if you guys want to see what you can do in Jamaica, stay tuned. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna jump right into this. The first thing that you can do is you can go to Luminous Lagoon, also known as Glistening Waters. It is located in Trelawny. With this activity, it's like a water and it's glistening and it's nice and blue, and it's a great thing to see, especially in the night. So it's like a boat tour in a sense, but yeah, it's so pretty, it's so beautiful. So that is our number 1 thing to do. Number 2 on the list is Mystic Mountain. Mystic Mountain is located in Ocho Rios. It's like an adventure park. There is like a chairlift, a bobsled coasters, like a roller coaster. There's zip lining. There's a lot of fun things. I think they even have this new attraction. It looks like a roller coaster where like they put like the buckling. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about. Like, you know when you go to the amusement park and they put the strap, like you're sitting and your foot is hanging out? Yeah, one of them, there's something that them have it over there. They also have zip lining, and they have like rock climbing and just a bunch of niceness. They all have pool and slide and them something there. So yeah. Number 3, you guys can go to resorts, hotels and resorts. On the weekends, I know that a lot of hotels, they have their little party and stuff on the resort, and I heard that a lot of locals go there on the weekend to enjoy themselves because that's when, you know, things are nice. There's not really much to do, so you guys can go on hotel resorts if you guys are already not staying on a hotel. Yes. Number 4, restaurants. Who does not like to eat when they go on vacation? Restaurants are open to dine in, so you guys can definitely go and eat at a restaurant. Unlike here in Canada, restaurants are closed. We have to do pickup and takeout and all those things. So in Jamaica, you can eat at a restaurant. All right. Number 5. So number 5, we got beaches and rivers. There are some beaches and rivers that are still open, although the government did lock down a bunch. But there are rivers that are open and beaches, and I believe that the time that it's open from is from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. and they have a limit of 15 guests. So if you guys want to go to a beach or a river, please find out if it's open first, and then if you go, try and go early so that you guys are the first people on the beach, so you know you're not restricted to the amount of persons because it's only 15 allowed. All right. Next, we got Rick's Cafe. So Rick's Cafe is located in Negril. It's a great, nice scenery with the ocean, and there's like, you can jump off of a cliff, and there's nice food, there's music, there's little entertainment. It's just a nice place to go drink and chill and, you know, hang out with your family, friends, boyfriend, man, woman, everything, side chick. There's so much to do there, so you guys can go there and enjoy it. It's still open. Number 7, we got the Martha Brae River Rafting. So that is located in Trelawny as well. With the Martha Brae River Rafting, if you go on a bamboo raft and you stream down the Martha Brae River, and it's very calm, it's very relaxing. I've done it before. It's extremely relaxing, and just to hear the sound of the river just flowing, it's super relaxing. It's a nice chill thing to do. And then you have the person that does the rafting, and I think you can actually raft yourself as well with the actual captain being on board, that is. All right. Number 8, we got Coral Cliff. So Coral Cliff is located in Montego Bay. It is like a gaming house slash bar slash restaurant slash, you know, something like Chuck E. Cheese in foreign. Like, it's a very fun place to go to. You can bring your kids, which in the downstairs areas there is games and stuff. They can win prizes. You know, you put the little token, you get tickets, you select your prize. And then upstairs is for the adults, where they have the casino. You can gamble. There's also a bar, you can drink, and they have nice food, and they have entertainment. So that is open, and it's very fun. Number 9, we have some boat tours that are still going on in Jamaica. I think there's one called, I'm not sure if it's called Aristocat Tours or something like that, but you can sort that out They bring you to like, I think they can bring you from like Montego Bay to Ochi to Negril, something like that. It's like a little party on a boat with you and your group, and you guys can enjoy the sun and enjoy the waters. Last but not least, we got Mobay Kart World, which is also located in Montego Bay. It's like a go-karting area. It's just something really fun to do with you and the family, or the kids, or you and your boo, your bae, your anything. You guys can go and go kart and just enjoy the day, so you guys are not bored stuck home because everything locked down. And those are my 10 things that you guys can do while in Jamaica during the Christmas season, during COVID. And yes, pretty much thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you choose one of these places to go to during the COVID season in Jamaica. And make sure you guys like this video, comment down below, share to no mother, no father, no sister, no brother, no auntie, no uncle, and everybody, and subscribe if you haven't already. And stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 24. Bye, later.